guys, this is Gisela Bordick and I'm back, and today I'm going to show you the I'm doing the unboxing of my GTC, the Global Training Conference. I want it all, and this is look like this box. I just opened it and the inside has 18 item products. So we're gonna start from the on that product. There were like you're going to get the Arbonne Botanic collections. There were like 7. First one, we're gonna start off with the body lotion. So that body lotion has a coconut flavored body lotion. It's coconut and it smells so good. And next product you could get on that collection is the passion fruit hand wash. So I'm going to show you what it looks like that. You could also get that one in that box. Also you could get on that box is the body wash. The body wash, and the body wash has papaya flavored, and it's so good. It's my favorite. And the other one also you could get is the vanilla bean lip therapy set, and in this box you could get 2 items: the lip balm, and then also the vanilla bean lip smoother. So excited to use all these products because I know it will promote Arbonne promote pure, safe, beneficial. So why not start using and it will clean all of your body, everything you put inside, and it comes out inside, it's all clean. What also in that box included is the lip moisturizing lip balm. Like this, look like this, and look, this is like this, just like that, just small ones. And then also what this is so exciting and fun. You could also get the advanced prep work overnight face jelly, and it's going to be fun because it's super fun. This product is, all you need to do is just press in the middle, bam bam. You can get all that jelly and put it overnight on your face, and this will promote extended moisturizing on your face and hydration. And also you could get in the box is the skin elixir. This is the collagen builder. That's really exciting to use this one, and this is good for your skin, hair, and nails. And it's also just when you use it, and one sachet you just add on to that 6 ounces of water, and then that's it. You can just drink and put ice in it and just go. And also we could also get the micellar water. This is so cute because I like the bottle. I like how they make this micellar water because it's cute. And also what you're gonna do is this is no rinse and no soap. Just use the cottons and then clean. It's gonna collect all the dirt on your face, and it really leaves super clean and even clearer. And also you could get is the counter spot essence. It's just right here, the counter spot essence. This will treat all the spots that all over what you have dark spot, and also gives you a nice skin tone all over. And also what you could get is the contouring V-Lift gel. This is also will help your face contour. We're going to lift